3, 2, 1, let's go. Good morning, everyone. So today is Saturday and I am leaving for Dehradun in another half an hour. My friend just woke up, so yeah, it's pretty cold, plus not much of fog that what I expected, so we can expect this much of fog for another 1 hour or so. But by the time I'll be we have crossed some distance, so we're just maintaining a good spirit, and we off to Dehradun soon. So hopefully, let's see, everything goes well, and yeah, wish me luck. So, as expected, my friend got late and I had to leave. We were expected to leave by 6:30 or 7 o'clock, but now it's 8 o'clock and I finally left for Dehradun. Well, what route we'll be taking? Well, my friend lives in Rohini, so I'll be going to meet him from there. We'll be going till Ghaziabad, and then from there the distance comes from Roorkee, then Moradabad, Roorkee and all, and you reach Dehradun. Dehradun is somewhere around 278 kilometers. What I've seen through the GPS, it will take us somewhere around 5.5 hours. But we know ourselves, we'll be stopping at few other places, so journey has just begun, and I hope it to be more interesting, and I'll keep you updated. We'll be posting pictures. Well, that's not right thing to say, because by the time I'll upload, this will be already done. My other friends, the one I did my Spiti and Leh Ladakh and Golden Triangle, couldn't make it because they are busy with the Christmas. Merry Christmas in advance, everyone. So yeah, we'll keep you updated with all the other stuff. Not a problem for that. Oh, and yes, I'm wearing my winter gloves because it's quite cold out here. Oh, well, the sun's out. We'll need to make a quick call to my friend. I need to ask where is he exactly. So just give me a second and so. यहाँ पे पहुँच गया हूँ, चौक पे। ये फ्लाईओवर नहीं आता, नीचे से आता है फ्लाईओवर। कौन से फ्लाईओवर पे कह रहा है? अरे यार, आगे जाके बस जो नया फ्लाईओवर बना, नया फ्लाईओवर को पहला क्रॉस करके नीचे जो जाते हैं, कॉलेज की तरफ जाते थे। नीचे आ जा, नीचे वाले पे आ जा। वो जो बाहरी रोड पे ही खड़ा हूँ मैं। कहाँ पे? अबे इसी रोड पे ही खड़ा हूँ, जो नीचे आएगा ना, सीधे सीधे चलता रहा, आगे रिंग रोड मॉल आएगा ना तेरे लेफ्ट साइड में। हाँ, तो बस वहीं खड़ा हूँ मैं। अंदर घुसने की जरूरत नहीं, रिंग रोड मॉल की तरफ। वो जो मंदिर नहीं है, काली माता मंदिर। हाँ हाँ, काली माता मंदिर के थोड़ा आगे खड़ा हूँ, पनवाड़ी है कॉर्नर पे, वहीं खड़ा हूँ। ठीक है, ओके, आ रहा हूँ, 2 मिनट लगेगा। आ जा। ओके, बाय। He seems to be pissed off because he's the one who woke up late and now blaming me for all this shit. Well, I'm not gonna take that, asshole. I tell you, these gloves are doing their work pretty good. These gloves are bought from Leh Ladakh, and it was pretty cold out there. These gloves saves our hand actually, and we only bought one because we didn't feel of buying the other one. We thought we'll have something like adapt or a kind of a jugaad thing. So what we did, we had normal gloves. We tucked in some cotton in that and made it a woolen glove. That's all we had to do because we didn't have any other option at Leh Ladakh. Plus, no medical or no shop is available. What's up? What's up, people? कैसे हो आप? सर So we finally met. So we finally met. We finally met. How are you, sir? Royal Enfield आपकी? Okay, bye. Well, didn't knew that the weather's gonna get just fucked up. Well, to be honest, we just crossed East Delhi, and I don't feel any. I'm not that confident on riding these roads. It's hell lot of traffic because unexpected turns and cuts by the bikers and cars. Plus, I haven't traveled to this part of I haven't taken this road for a long time, and I'm not that confident to ride. I don't know, I'm feeling quite nervous, but yes, everything's gonna be good because today is a good day. Keeping all things out of my mind, no question and no doubts about it. Yeah, bro, it's gonna be fun. But slowly and steadily after riding for another 50-100 kilometers, first of all, I might gain confidence because I am riding after a long time. After September, this is the month that is 3 months I'm traveling, and I'm pretty nervous. So this is Amit. He rides Royal Enfield 350 Classic, as already told in the vlog and the daily observation. Well, I am not using GPRS because he himself is a genius and knows each and everything about the roads, Delhi roads and any roads. He has done distance and ride still Roorkee and a bit further from Roorkee. From there I can handle it, but so till now we have done somewhere around 40 kilometers in half an hour. So we just entered Meerut. We've done somewhere around 90 kilometers in 1.5 hours. Though despite traffics and all, we just managed to maintain a good speed. We are about to enter Meerut, which is somewhere around 12 or 11 kilometers from here. Haridwar is somewhere around 160 kilometers. It's just a matter of time that we'll be hitting National Highway. The only thing I'm worried about is the people and the stray animals, because they can pop out from any point of time, and yes, stupid people, morons who just don't care about other people who come in wrong direction and without indicating turns unexpectedly. We just had tea, though I'm not a tea lover, but yes, when on the roads, when on the highway or when I'm traveling, I do take a few cups of tea, not many, not much love for the tea. I'm sorry, RIP tea. Cool, bro, cool. What is the point of, you were just at the back of my bike. So we just left with a few kilometers of traffic. After that we are absolutely good and free, and we'll try to cover a maximum amount of distance. It is somewhere around 21 kilometers. Whoa, over there it was written 30 kilometers. They said that you might face some kind of jam at the Roorkee or at the Muzaffarnagar, but otherwise the road's gonna be perfectly fine. So guys, we are on National Highway 58 and the road conditions are pretty good. The road's been awesome. We have new toll. This is the first toll we encounter on our way to Haridwar. Actually to Dehradun, but via Haridwar. What toll it is it exactly? I don't give a shit. Well, it'll be some UP toll. Oh yeah, it says Western UP Toll Plaza. So good thing about it, it's free for the bikers, and that's the best part to travel on a bike. Mana Pass, the last border of India. Where does it touch it? China? Tibet? Pakistan? China. Very good with geography, I guess. All good, sir. All good. All good. Yay! Oh shit. Somebody having a bad day. Oh my fucking god. Roorkee, which is known famous for IIT, and somewhere around 30 or 40 kilometers is Haridwar. Well, we've been taking lots of stops, and due to that we are behind schedule of arrival.
जी आज लाइट चला रहे हैं, कल कुछ और चलाओगे और कोई गल नहीं तो मेरे पास काले कोई बात नहीं है। ये कान नहीं है, ये अपनी रोजी है, आप इसको देख रहे हैं। माता लेके गोल चक्कर से रहे, ठीक है।
So guys, Dehradun is somewhere around 70 kilometers from here. Rather than going from Haridwar, we decided to go from here because it will be shorter. We haven't tried this route as of now. As we got to know from the local shopkeeper, said that it will be somewhere around 18 kilometers short. Rather than going, through Haridwar, it's gonna take time. We just take a detour and hit the highway which leads to Dehradun, and you'll reach Dehradun somewhere around 1.5 hours, depending on the speed. It's gonna be a kind of a hilly area, but what we thought is like we'll try to catch up with the time, because it's almost 1 o'clock. We were supposed to reach Dehradun by 1 o'clock, but we took lots of stops, so we have no other option but to catch up with the time and pick up some speed and keep going. visited Dehradun, but Dehradun city is somewhere around 8 or 7 kilometers. So we'll be halting for lunch, and then after that we'll be heading to Mussoorie. ये वाला जगह ही नहीं है। जगह है बन रही है क्या? लाल बत्ती चल रही है क्या? हाँ वीडियो बना रहा हूँ यार। बाहर से होगा? हाँ बाहर के आने वाले हो क्या? नहीं नहीं यार दिल्ली के ही हैं। दिल्ली से बाइक से? हाँ भाई लॉक खुला तो है भाई। Yeah, so having good food, now we are all set to leave for Mussoorie, which is somewhere around 30 kilometers from here. It's gonna be a hilly area, and we're gonna take somewhere around 1.5 hours. We are all set. Stomach are full. Have a delicious chicken chingezi. So now waiting for my friends. Actually, couldn't tie the tires back properly, so that's why. So this is the clock tower. Well, the sun is gonna set in an hour or so. शांति देख रहे इस साइड आया।